competition in the energy storage market has shifted from having a project tool who understands your business better. You need more than just batteries. You need adaptable, customizable, and profitable supply chain. MK Energy, founded in 2015. We offer full-range lithium and lead-acid products with complete international certifications, wall-mounted for home storage, 25.6 VTO 51.2V, IP65, appearance, ports, BMS strategy fully customizable, stackable lithium battery, modular design, communication protocol customizable, rack-mounted lithium battery, standard 3U for U, 6U sizes for telecom, UPS data centers, power lithium battery, for two-wheel, three-wheel, forklifts, aerial platforms, high current customization available, lead-acid to lithium direct replacement, dimensions fully compatible with lead-acid, custom BMS for quick lightweight upgrades, high voltage UPS lithium, parameter adjustable for complex grids worldwide, from BMS strategy, appearance screen printing, structural size to communication protocol. We support full-spectrum ODM ohm customization. MOQ flexible, supports sample testing, small batch trial production to mass delivery. We are not just a supplier, but your technical backbone in local markets.